So welcome here students, and today I am going to start the exercise 6.4. Question number 1, it is given that find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. So in the previous video I had explained that what is the division method and how to find the square root of the any number by division method. So here in the question number 1, total 12 parts are given. So I have written the 5 parts. First part that I had explained in the previous video in that example where I had find the square root of 2304. That is the first part. So that is already explained. So 5 parts I have written, second, fourth, seventh, 10th and 12th. So I will explain and I will find the square root of these number by proper steps, and whatever the rest of the numbers are there that you need to find by yourself. And if in any parts you are going to get the problem, then you need to comment me. I will explain that square root of that number in which you are going to get the problem. So here I am going to solve that. Now solution, it is thus I am going to solve the second part, that is 4489. So students, you will draw like this. You will make the pairing, you will draw the bar on the pair of the number. The pairing will be started from the right side. So 4 numbers are there that are in the pair. So first pair is 44. So if you are going to find a number whose square should be either 44 or less than 44. So 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49. So 49 is greater than 44. So just before 49, just before 7 square you are going to get the 6 square. So here you will put 6 6. So 6 6 ja 36. 7 into 7, that will be 49, greater than 44. Now subtract it. For here 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8, and here it will be 0. Now whatever the number you are going to keep here, that should be kept here and it should be added. 6 plus 6, that is 12. Now again you will put the next pair after this. Here it is 89. Now you need to put the number here by which it should be multiplied, and it should be either equal to 889 or just less than 889. So if I am going to put 7, then 7, and here I will put 7. Then 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14, 4 18, and 7 1 ja 7 1 8. Now here it is 0 0 0. So now remainder is 0. Now there is no any other pair. So what is the square root of that number? Whatever the number you are going to get here, that will be the square root. So here you will write under root 4489 equal to 67. Now I am going to solve the fourth part. Fourth part is given 529. So here I am going to write 529. Now here pairing will be always done from the right side. So here first pair, and if any number is unpaired, so that will be a single number. Now first you are going to get a single number. So you need to find a number whose square should be either equal to 5 or just less than 5. So 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9 is greater. So 2 2, 2 2 ja 4. Here you will subtract 5 minus 4, that will be 1. Now that 2 will be kept here. 2 plus 2, 4. Now you will put the next pair, that is 29. Now here it is 129. So here you need to put a number, suppose that 3. If I am going to put here, it is 3. Then 3, if you are going to put the number here, by the same number you need to multiply that whole. Then 3 3 ja 9, and 3 4 ja 12. So it is equal to this. So here you are going to get 23. So here you can write square root of 529 equal to 23. So it is the solution of the fourth part. Now I am going to explain the seventh part, students. Here it is seventh part. In the seventh part the number is given 5776. So here you will make the pairing. Both the numbers here, all the 4 numbers are in the pair. First pair is 57. So 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64. 64 is greater. So 7 into 7, 7 7 ja 49. You will subtract it. So 17 minus 9, that is 8, and here it is 0. Now whatever the number you had kept here, that will be here, and 7 plus 7, 14. Now after that you will put the next pair of the number here, that is 76. Now if I am going to take 6 here, then 6. 6 6 ja 36, 6 4 ja 24, 24 3, 27, 6 1 ja 6 2, 8. So suppose here I am going to put the number directly, but you need to find. Suppose that if you are going to put 4, you will check after 5, then 6, and on which number you are going to get exactly this here, just less than this, that will be your number that will be kept here. So after that here it will be 0. So here you can write square root of 5776 equal to 76. Now next number is 1024. So here I am going to explain that 1024. Now here it is first pair, second pair. So here 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16. 16 is greater than 10. Then 3 3, 3 3 ja 9. 10 minus 9, that is 1. Now you will keep 3 here and it will be added. 3 plus 3, 6. Now you will put the next pair, that is 24. Now 2 and 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. Whatever the number you will keep here, by the same number it will be multiplied. So and number that will be kept here as well as here also. So here it is 0 0 0. So here you can write square root of 1024 equal to 32. So it is the 10th part of the question. Now one more part I have written, that is the 12. Here it is, that is 900. So if you are going to make the pairing, here it is the pair. So 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. You are going to get exactly. So here it is the pairing, 3 3 ja 9 and 9 minus 9, 0. Then you will keep here 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now you will put the next pair. Now here if you are going to put 1, that will be, if you are going to put here 1, then here you will keep 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 6 ja 6, 61. That will be greater. So 1 can't be put here, it means you need to put here 0, then 0. Then 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 6, 0. So 0, it will be 0. So what is that number? 30. So square root of 900 equal to 30. So students, these are the some parts which I had given the complete solution, but whatever the rest of the parts are there, you need to solve by yourself. Solve that, and in any of the parts if you are facing any kind of problem, then you comment me. I will give the explanation and solution of that part. Now here question number 2, it is given that find the numbers of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. So students, only you need to find the number of digit in the square root of the number. For example, if I am going to write 225, so its square root will be 25. So how many digits are there in the square root of 225? 2 digits. 2 digits. So only you are not supposed to find the square root. Only you need to write that how many digits are there in the square root of the number. So here, whatever the number is given there, you need to make the pairing of that number just like the process which you had applied in the question number 1. Whatever the pairing method you had applied, you had make the pair of the number from the right side. So here, if I am going to make the pairing, only one pair is there. So whatever the number of pairs is there, that will be the number of digit in the square root of the number. Here 64, only 2 digits are there, that are one pair. So there will be 1 digit. Yeah, you can write here, only you will write 1. It means that there will be 1 digit in the, here you can write 1 digit. Now 144, pairing will be started. Here it is one pair, and whatever the number of number that is unpaired. So here one pair and this number is unpaired, that will be also counted. So 1, 2. So how many digits will be there in the square root of 144? 1, 2. So here you will write 2 digits. So all of you know that square root of 144 is 12, that having the 2 digits. Now here 4489, make the pairing. So here 2 pairs are there, so that having the 2 digits. When you are going to find the square root of 4489, that will have the 2 digits. Now here make the pairing 1, 2, and whatever the number is unpaired, that will be also counted. So 1, 2, 3. So how many digits will be there? 3 digits. in the square root of that number. Here it is a number, so 1, 2, all the numbers are in the pair, so how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3. So there will be 3 digits, there will be total 3 digits in the square root of that number. So it is the way you are not going to find the exact square root, only you are going to find the number of digits in the square root. So that is the way to find the number of digits in the square root of any number. You need to make the pairing from the right side, count the pair, and if a number is unpaired, that will be also counted. So by this way you will find the number of digits in the square root of any number.